Hey guys, it's Brian and Jake with the Midnight Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate handle in your second gen Ford Ranger. Now you may get here, all of a sudden your tailgate doesn't open. The way you do this is it's really easy. It's really only 2 bolts, but you got to get it open first. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and remove the rear panel from your tailgate. So we already took this panel off. It's right here. The reason we took it off before we did the video is because we weren't exactly sure what the problem was. Sometimes the little handle breaks, sometimes the cables break, something like that. So we wanted to go ahead and take it off just to see if we could figure out what the problem was. When we took it off, we figured out the problem was the actual handle that was broken. So we're not going to show you how to do this because I don't want to put it back on, just to show you how to take it off. It's 8 bolts and you can get them very easily. So if your tailgate's stuck, go ahead and remove that panel. Then you can look in and see the problem. So the problem on this one is right here. All right, so right here, when you pull the tailgate handle, only one side goes because the handle is broken. Over on this side, you can see the little arm that moves up and down. It pushes on that top thing. The other one's broken, so it doesn't do it. So you don't even need to lower the tailgate in order to fix this. It's got 2 10mm bolts. You can see right here on the new one, it has these 2 studs right here. You got to remove the nuts from those 2 studs, and then you can just remove the handle. You don't need to move the tailgate down. So we'll show you where those bolts are. So here are those 2 bolts. Right there, that nut right there needs to come off, and that nut right there needs to come off. Once we get those out, then that'll come right off. Now it is a 10mm. Make sure you don't drop it, because if it goes down in the tailgate, it's going to be a huge pain. So once you unbolt it, you also want to take this and pull it out of the way a little bit, because the old one hangs on these little ears right here. So just kind of work it out and slide it out like this. Then you can remove the handle. See how it broke right there. So now to reinstall it, all you do is take these hooks right here and you hook them inside it until you can line up these studs with the holes. All right, so now on the inside, these holes that are on this bracket, you need to slide it back inside the hole here and line up those bolts. Those studs that were on the handle need to line up with the studs on the bracket, and it slides in just like that. Now you can go ahead and put your nuts back on. All right, now we got it all bolted in. Now test it and make sure it opens. So now you need to put the access panel back on. Go ahead and leave your tailgate down because it makes it a little bit easier to go on. Now, Jake's truck has this drop-in bed liner, so it has a plastic cap that goes over the tailgate. So the way that one works is it actually bolts through the plastic and then that metal plate and then into the tailgate. So what you need to do if you have something like this is make sure that everything's lined up. Then you can put your plastic cover on it. Start putting your bolts in. Start with one side, get it lined up, then go diagonal to the other side, get it lined up. That way you know that everything is lined up correctly. Now we can go ahead, put the rest in. So there you go. It's not nearly as hard as you thought. You just got to do it correctly. Make sure you move stuff around. Now, if you have a tailgate that's stuck, definitely take that plate off, investigate, see what the problem is. More than likely, this is the problem with it because it's a common problem with these trucks, just because it's kind of a weird design. So we went ahead, we fixed it. It was about 15, 20 bucks, something like that for the part. If you need the part, look down below in the description. That's where you can find it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like these how-tos and to check out the rest of our shows. Check our social media. Links are in the description. MidMech merch, themidnightmech.com, and support cancer research. If you follow to the end of this video, you can see a link that shows you how you can help. See you guys next time.